Hi guys, today I want to talk about hell. I never believed in hell. Since small, I've been told that if I do this, I will go to hell. After the age of 7, all your sins will be written down in a book and you will go to hell. There's no such thing as hell, guys. For those people who still believe in a hell, whatever you believe, whatever your soul wants to believe, you're creating that. But this is actually no hell. A loving God will never create hell. God is unconditional love and with no judgment. There's no judgment. So there's no hell. Uh, you're allowed to make mistakes. Uh, you're allowed to come back also and do it again and again and again until you get it right. You won't get punished just because you made a mistake. And you will be thrown in this oven and burn. Who's going to make that fire? Who's going to keep that fire going? And please don't tell me it's a spiritual fire. So it doesn't work that way. You have to realize that you made the mistakes. Once you realize, and you become more green, you become much more wiser. And wisdom basically means you remember. You dismember when you don't know. If you don't have knowledge, you're not enlightened, you don't have light. Knowledge is light. So the more knowledge you wake up within yourself, the more light you create within, and the more light you shine. But on the outside, you don't really get much besides sometimes triggers to wake you up. But you're allowed to make mistakes, guys. Earth is just a school. But it's a school you come here to learn your lessons that you can't skip. You can't skip a grade. You need to repeat it until you get it right. You enrolled for the course, so you need to complete the course. And you get so many opportunities to do that. To finish your course, but you can't skip a grade. You can't go from kindergarten to high school. Basically, you need to go through every grade, okay, until you get it right. You will have to come back again and again and again, okay? So you have to learn your lessons, and the lessons are not easy. Earth is a tough school. It's not easy, but guys, there's no hell. Let me just tell you that there is no hell. There's a heaven, yes. There's a heaven, but there's no hell. The closest you can come to a hell is what you create, and your repetitive behavior, and your comfort zone that you're in, where you become bored and dormant and there's no growth. That can be seen as a hell, but otherwise there's no such thing as hell. Got it? There we go.